pangarap po namin. Lahat kami nag-sacrifice para dito. Kaya ko sa pamilya. Iba po talaga pag magpangarap po talaga yung labanan. Iba po talaga. Ayoko na umiyak. Ano man dulo no? Ang mahulog na. Sana po. Ay, kabuti naman po ng lahat. Mga kayo pa hindi mo ako hihirapan. Dito ka dam. Para lang.
Ilang taon ka na? Tell me something about yourself. Bakit ka nandito? Bakit sa palagay mo karapat-dapat kang mapili sa Star Hunt?
I want to entertain people and I look up to those who can.
Nag-audition po ako sa Araneta Coliseum noong April 20, 2018. Nag-audition po ako ng Pinoy Big Brother. Pero dito po ako nilagay. Magagaling po talaga sila lahat. Nakasama ko rin po sila Ate Kauri, saka Ate Jelay. Parang sabi ko po sa sarili ko, pinapanood ko lang po sila sa TV. Just kasama ko lang po sila ngayon.
Ang ating susunod na girl teen housemate ay si...
Ano po, siya po kasi hindi po siya sanay masyado sa parang workout po. First time niya pong nangyari na collapse talaga. Siguro nabigla lang siguro katawan niya.
Ganito, yung training kasi, for all we know, yung kahapon kasi wala pa rin, hindi pa rin yung hardest part of the training. We feel na mas makakabuti sana if hindi na muna siya magpatuloy sa training. Baka hindi muna kasi makayanin pa yung succeeding days. Mas binibigay namin ng priority, syempre ang health, syempre at ang kalusugan ng mga trainees na.
Kaya po ako. Kaya po ako. Promise.
We're forming a very elite group. This elite group will really go through hard work. But I've always believed talent in the Philippines is world class. And you have to help me prove that. There are particular requirements that I am looking for in particular. One, kailangan magaling sumayaw. Kailangan magaling sumayaw at magaling kumanta. Kung hindi kayo proficient sa both, kailangan kayo magtiyaga at mag-aral. And in this next few days, 4 days, we are trying to see sino yung may dedication, sino may capability matutong mabilis.
Gina and Angela were both ex-housemates. So as they got outside of the house, they were endorsed to us to be trained inside the camp. Both girls are very strong dancers.
Sa composition namin nakamunan, 15 mula sa Isabela.
Si Gwen, sila Direk Lauren discovered her for Star Hunt and then nag-PBB. She was one of the first na chosen for this project. Pero nung time na yun, naguguluhan pa siya. So, umuwi siya muna sa Bicol. When she realized that this is what she wanted, then she came back at inaccept naman natin. Star Hunt Academy is a branch under Star Hunt Management that manages the development and training of our would-be global performers. So in Star Hunt Academy, we wanted to give them a more holistic training. So aside from singing and dancing, we also had training in personality development, we had social media training, we had immersions that brought them to concerts, musical theater, movies, so that they get a feel of how what's like performing. We also had physical fitness coaches that takes care of their fitness and nutrition. And aside from that, we had our resident life coaches. Because aside from the physical aspect of it, we wanted to ensure that they are healthy emotionally and mentally as well. It was important to find the right members because it is a long project. And not only is it long, it's going to be very difficult because we will be uprooting them from their families, their friends, and essentially their normal lives.
There you go, guys!
Class has officially begun. You'll find your star in 3, 2, 1. Star Hunt Academy. Samahan na sa hindi kita
Super saya po. As in, lahat po nung pinaghirapan namin lahat ng workout practice, rehearsals na malapit na po kami gumipa. Pero worth it pa rin to kasi the best po talaga yung ano namin.
Hindi pa tapos, pwede mo lang kaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Mariah Queen Araceta from Cebu!
If I were to describe my reign in one word, it would be blessed.
Of Star Hunter in Cebu for Connected Brothers. But unfortunately, she didn't make it. But little did she know, she was in for something bigger. So when the Nickelodeon saw her, he asked the same question. Did you really audition in PBB in Cebu? So she answered the same thing. Yes po.
I can say, siguro intense if like, you're still so new to.
Parang sa first day nyo po, tapos may class agad.
Hey boy!
Game.
Let's watch out tayo sa weird series, ha?
Wala! It's just saying.
Ano? Sabihin mo na dahil ngayon.
Ano yung watch out sa words? Kasi nararamdaman ko na-open na si Ate Aya. Hindi naman masamang bago yun. I care for you. Tara! Basta mamaya na lang. Hindi.
Oh, wait lang. Antay mo. Pakalmahin niyo muna yung iyak niyo para makapagsalita siya.
Kung hindi mo natagal, hindi tayo magkakaya. Dahil sa akin, dahil sa akin. Upuan na. Huwag na. Kasi pakinggan ka namin dahil. Hindi ka ganyan kasi Ate Aya.
Whatever happens, kung sino man ang hindi makasama, then syempre we will do something about your careers, di ba?
Pipiliin sa atin, dapat lahat tayo malalangan. Birthday tayo, guys. Kahit sinabi ni Miss MQ na last chance of us getting all lunch, ipakita natin na ready tayong lahat. Kasi yun yung deserve natin, di ba? Pinaghirapan natin to. Hindi na lang isipin. Huwag niyong isipin na isipin. Hindi mo dapat isipin na
Coach, kakapalit ko lang po mukha ko pero may second.
Now every step we take, boundary we break. There's nothing we can do. When it gets hard to see it, just repeat it to me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing can hold us back.
To celebrate our girls' milestone. Here we have the girls. Ladies, we can move it to the center. We can move it to the center, ladies. Okay, again, let's have them introduce themselves. Take it away, Maloy.
I'm Billy Maloy. What's up, guys? Hi, Bobby.
Pero I'm not that happy kasi I'm not with my mom. Pangarap namin itong dalawa ni Mommy. She's not temporarily gone. She's gone. Part of me is still sad. Even though I want to live and be happy. Because I'm tired of being sad. Umiiyak si Bakla. Napasakan.
Sobrang tapang po. Dito kami pitong kapatid ko. Wala na yung mami ko dito. Ginagabayan siya.
Especially, I'm not with my family. Pero I'm glad na I'm with my ates.
Iipit kaya natin sa mga motor. Pwede ba yun? Kuya, it's your lucky day dahil makikilala mo kami ng kami.
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa di inakalang panahon.
Medic po. Medic po. Pa-assist na lang po. Yung may mga kailangan. Blooms, alam namin excited tayong lahat. Pero
Yung mga nakatayo doon, baba kayo. Baba kayo dyan.
baka malaglag
Yung
kayo.
poste, baba kayo dyan, guys.
Baka kayo.
Papanood nyo naman po sila. Okay, thank you so much. Wala pong magtutulakan para po magtuloy ang kanilang performance. Okay? O, ayan.
Pwede mo ba pahingin ng pamasahe?
Mag-ingat ka.
Thank you po!
Nag-graduate na ako college niya.
Graduate ka na?
Nag-graduate na ako. Niyak ako.
Naiyak ka. Mag-ika mo na eh.
Eh, thank you.
Ano favorite color ko? In general po? Like damit. Sa damit, black na basic eh. Black, white. Or sa tinta ng ballpen.
Wala ka ng help. Pwede akong magantay.
Pwede naman kasama sa
Oy. Titingin talaga ako. Oo. Tingin kayo.
Wala na kasi naman sila kag-graduation.
Wala ka na ulo.
Uy! Bigla siya bumaba.
Cherry, I'm so berry, rainbow cotton candy. Glitzy glamour, dripping drama, oh, I'm just so
괜찮아.
mahiwagang salamin. Kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na patingin. Mahiwagang salamin. Ano bang dapat gawin?
At kung kakatukin man baka sakaling bumalik ka, hindi ko nabubuksan. Nabigay mo sakit, yung sakit na ibabalik ko ako dulot niya. Umalis ka parang gusto ko magmawa. Gusto ko inasunod.
I'm gonna make you scream like ooh, 'cause all I want is you. I'm gonna make you stay
taking me. I like my heart position, high as my door, keep it dripping like a hot butter. Hey, 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 it's getting anything but the ain't that deep. I made a few mistakes, I regret it now. They put a couple hearts still wear my sleeve. My mama always said, get each other in, and now I wanna get you far over me.
Kakainin mo pa yun yung, tail? Hindi. Akin lang. Thanks.
Nakabusog, Ate Gwen.
Kisha kasi, ang daming kumain.
Si ano kasi si Gwen medyo ano rin.
Malakas.
Gusto din niya na busog talaga siya.
Sanay sila sa camp na
Oo.
kinakain. Ay, Diyos niyo, Marima.
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend. And she is the moment. Now come on.
Simulan natin sa yung mga bagay na hindi niyo gusto sa akin.
Wala! Hindi, huwag yung quest. Sa akin kasi. Sa akin. Kasi sabi niyo, may sasabihin kayo sa amin.
Baby boys, 3, 2, 1, Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah.
Ang gwapo. Hindi oh. Mas gwapo. Ako diba?
Keep up with that tempo. Rock it all night till your back gets sore. Till we just can't take it no more. Roll your ass like, make it clap back till you give me applause. Sounding like, when I get in them doors. Set your hair in tangles. I'm rapping on your angle.
At para po sa ating super kapamilya, you can also access Bini Mika's fan cam sa ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel. Napaka-exciting ang ating ganaps today in this game, this match.
From the nation's Southern Bini, number 8, Mika.
Mika, who is the center of this team, which means he doesn't need to hold a lot of support.
Ano ba kausap ko si Mika before this game? I asked her, what experience na sa Bangkok? And she told me she only started last year.
Ito yung naagawan ko kasi kung sharp ako lahat.
Gretch, the first excellent set, and it's an underhand set by Mika Lim to VP Sharma.
Siya itong team blue, team yellow. of the best. It is Leon.
So we gravitated towards these athletes and now artists. Hey, that is going to be an
Which Beanie member would be the most matampuhin member of the group?
Stacy! Hindi.
Si Mia! Wala talaga akong paki sa kanila.
Hindi!
Hinintay.
Atap na
Hindi, minsan kasi pag sa elevator po, medyo nagko-close agad. Nagko-close kasi siya. Before, next year kasi siya palagi bago kami bumaba. Sabay-sabay po kami umuwi. Tapos may time na bumaba na kami. Tapos nagtampo siya. Kaya ngayon, hindi na namin ginagawa yun. Kapag, hala si Mix nasa CR pa. Nandito kami sa baba, naghihintay sa ako. Hindi, sabi ko sa inyo na mauna na kayo.
May unang beses na naiwan ka namin.
Find your pair.
I'm in trouble, I'm an addict, I'm addicted to this girl. She's got my heart tied in a knot and my stomach in a whirl. But even worse, I can't stop calling her. She's all I want and more. I mean, damn, what's not to adore?
Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walk out my life? I get like this every time. On these days that feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the shit.
Every day, celebrate you with me.
1611, ako feeling ko kailangan magaling sa math. If UST is founded in 1611, ilang taon na siya today?
412.
Tama! 412 ang sagot. Grabe, ang galing, ang galing. Nakita ko may mental math eh. May mental telepathy tayo ng BD eh.
Estudyante sa umaga, idol sa hapon, Ate Aya!
Hi everyone, it's Aya. I'm here at Enderun Colleges, my school.
Once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly.
Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck on me. I said my face bomb, ass tight, rack stuck up, shack height, jury on me, flashlight. I've been listening last night, hit him with that good, make a nigga act right. Broke boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that's right. Big bag bustin' out the belly band, take a man, Balenciaga brought it back, and all these bitches fuck. It's big bags bustin' out the belly band, take a man, working back, party back, and all you bitches fuck.
the stars, you wander around. May they follow you wherever you are. Here I am, just another boy singing songs that others have sung. Trying to find the words to employ to adore.
Mentally, physically weak, must open up my phone like just ain't you. Baby, I can't decide, I've got it all the time. You were mine, I give this pussy to you 9 to 5, 5 to 9.
Guys, may pasabog pa kami. There is still more kasi ito na naman Tagalog, There's more kasi napapanood na ng Day 1 and Day 2 audience yung teaser. Napanood.
Hindi tama, basta ito. Tama siya, tama.
Walang mali sa'yo. They have watched it. The Day 1 and Day 2 people. Yeah, the teaser of Cherry on Top music. Teaser.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi ko na alam ko yung naunsa.
Baby, kahit walang tayo ay hindi ko na maintindihan. Alam ko namang di ko to dapat maramdaman. Dahil di mo di naman kayang suklian ang pagmamahal ko magkaibigan.
Soulja Boy, too. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. Just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Superman, that why me you crank that soul, 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 that why Soulja Boy up in it, why me crank it, why me roll, why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman, that why me you crank that soul, 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 that why.
Huwag ka sumigaw sa mic.
Tonight, no, he can deny. I'm the cherry on top.
Paano ba tayo magde-decide kung sino mga nasa
Ako nga lang, center. Kasunod ako ni Tia. Dalar. Bunso ako, bunso.
나를 보며 지난 이 속에 지난
Really, without you, I would be so.
Give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now.
Bakit?
Masarap siya, ah. Rishi! You want? Taste this. You pick whatever.
You made this?
Yeah, we made it.
Oh, that's there! Your mind. Just look at the camera. Look at the camera, Aski.
Masarap. Sige, masarap. Mga ate mo kami. Bawal hindi masarap dyan. Nunukin mo yan.
We made it with love. Sige na. Sige na muna. Matubig ka, ha?
Tago pa na. Hello po.
Opo, huwag ka mag-alala. I-share naman nila yan. Golden arrow eh.
Secret for now, pero we're gonna give you clue. Yay!
Lakas kaya yun?
Bigyan mo kay Sheena, ay kay Stajo.
Malakas mo.
Hindi na yung ano doon. Gusto nila tayo mag-live. True. Kayo ba? Anong gusto nyong makita pa dun sa website? If ano kayo?
Yung mukha mong napakaganda.
Pwede ba,
pwede thanks.
ba may games? Parang isa.
Eobol ba? Eobol?
Blooms, give it up for Appa! Appa, ikaw naman dyan,
Naiyak ka. Mag-ikaw mo na eh.
Dati, pangarap kong maging performer. Pero ngayon, performer na ako.
Hi guys! So, I'm with my ama and kukwento niya. First time na nakita niyo akong sumasayaw ng bata, tapos nakitaan niyo ako ng potential.
Ay, nung una kong nakita si Sheena na sumayaw, matigas ang katawan niya. Hanggang kahit pinagtatawanan siya, sige lang siya ng sige hanggang sa na-develop, hanggang sa nakakapanood na siya sa TV, yun, nagagaya niya yun. Hanggang sa magaling na siyang sumayaw, nakikikontest na siya sa school, lagi silang nagtatap, lagi silang nag-first sa contest. Hanggang sa yun ang naging hilig niya, yung sumayaw ng sumayaw. Makembot na siya ngayon ng makembot. Kembot ng kembot, malambot na yung katawan niya sa kasasayaw. Doon nagumpisa yung pagkahilig niya sa sayaw. Pero nung bata talagang hilig na niya. Ayun, nagkaroon ka ng hilig hanggang sa nakakapanood ka na sa TV. Yun, doon na na-develop yung pagsasayaw mo. Hanggang sa gusto mo nang pumunta sa TV at gusto mo nang sumayaw doon.
Nagawa ko na ngayon.
Yan,
Yay!
nakuha na yung pangarap
Happy
mo.
tayo, group hug.
Wala ka napansin? Buong video ko na gano'n.
Lights, camera, action.
I see you looking at my piece.